beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Felicia. Today I'm going to be featuring this hair in collaboration with CULKALON Hair. So this is what the box looks like. I'm going to open it up for you guys to see. I've actually not opened this box prior to filming this video. So it only comes with this hair and this card right here about the brand. And I'm going to unravel the hair from the pack so you see what it looks like. It's incredibly soft. This is an 18 inches kinky straight hair. You guys, this hair feels so soft. But as you know, I would always go ahead and wash my unit before I use it. It doesn't come with any scent at all. I'm going to show you what inside the unit looks like. It does come with 3 combs in the front and 1 comb at the back, but I was shocked to see that it doesn't come with like a drawstring, like an what's it called, an adjustable strap. I didn't see that in this unit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to wash the unit and like speed up the process until we get to install the hair. Thank you, CULKALON Hair, for sponsoring this video. So as you can see, the ends of the hair, it kind of looks like it's thin. So I'm just trying to trim the ends of the hair so it looks even and like healthy. It's just me. I don't really like the way the ends look. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the hair so you can see how well it straightens. So you guys, this wig is definitely big head friendly. When I put it on, I still have like what's it called? The band was long, which is normal because this unit is like a medium standard size. So I'm assuming this is for all head types, but it does feel good on my head. I had to go ahead to put like a wig grip so the wig stays on on my head. So and then I'm just trying to show you guys what it looks like. I love the way it looks. It's so beautiful, and I don't think I trimmed the hair really well, but after that day I wore it, I had to go back to trim the hair to suit my liking. So I'm going to be styling the hair using my Forever 21 headband. That's where I picked this headband from. I was actually surprised to see that this unit did not come with a set of headbands since this is a headband wig. Now I'm gonna try to like curl the hair a little bit just to show you guys how much of heat this hair can take. So you guys, I'm done with styling this unit. For some reason, I don't know why this side looks like this. Like the curls appear to be different. Let me know which of the sides you like best. I kind of like the two, but for this particular look, I prefer this one. So you guys, I'm gonna start with the pros first. I love the texture of this unit. Actually, this is my very first kinky straight hair. I love that it mimics our natural hair. I love that it was easy to curl and straighten, but there's something else I don't like about this hair. The ends of the hair appear to be thin. I had to trim the ends so it looks healthy. I don't know if you can like see how it looks right now. Before, the ends appear to be thin. Also, the hair comes in this box right here. I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. It doesn't come with any headbands or any wig cap. It only comes with the hair and this, just to tell you about the brand and all of that. I feel like they should have added like a headband, so whoever gets the hair would get a set of headband to try out, like to style the unit if they choose to, or some kind of gift to like excite whoever picks up the unit. I don't know if other people who will get the hair will get headbands. This is sponsored, so I don't know if they decided to send the hair to me like this, and they might probably have set of headbands that they give out. Exception of that, this hair I highly recommend it. I love how soft and beautiful it looks on me, and I know it's gonna look good on you as well. Don't forget to check CULKALON Hair for your affordable units. Don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful. Subscribe here, like here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.